what to expect at your upcoming maintenance.
Hey, I'm Dan with Sierra Air Conditioning and Plumbing. Thank you for choosing us to perform your HVAC maintenance. Regular maintenance is essential for keeping your heating and cooling systems running efficiently. We'll walk you through exactly what to expect during your service, including a thorough inspection, cleaning, testing, and how we take extra steps to maintain cleanliness in your home. If you've never had an HVAC maintenance service before, you might be wondering what's involved. Don't worry. We'll explain everything step by step so you know exactly what's going to happen and why it's so important to your system's long-term health. In this video, we'll break down your HVAC maintenance into 4 main parts. What to do before the technician arrives, what happens during the service, including inspection, cleaning, and testing, what to do once the service is complete, and what to do if you have any concerns or questions. Make sure there's easy access to your HVAC system, including your air handler, furnace, air conditioning units, and thermostats. Ensure the area around your HVAC units is clear of obstacles. If you have pets, please keep them in a separate area while the technician is working to ensure their safety and to give the technician room to work. Double check your scheduled service date and time. What's included in the inspection? The technician will begin by performing a thorough inspection of your entire HVAC system to make sure everything is running smoothly. This includes checking the heating and cooling components, thermostats, and ducts to ensure they're all functioning properly. The technician will check your air filters. If needed, we will be happy to replace them if you have them. If not, don't worry. Clean filters are key to improving airflow and maintaining air quality. The indoor coils and condenser will be inspected, and the outdoor coils will be cleaned to prevent dirt buildup, which can reduce the system's efficiency. The technician will check your refrigerant levels to ensure your system is cooling as efficiently as possible. The technician will inspect the ducts and vents for blockages and leaks, ensuring proper airflow throughout your home. Verify that both the heating and cooling systems are functioning properly by running both modes. Measure the temperature difference across your system to ensure it's within the proper range for optimal performance. The technician will test the thermostat to ensure it is providing accurate readings and working as intended. We understand the importance of keeping your home clean while we work. That's why our technicians will wear booties over their shoes when entering your home. This helps prevent dirt and debris from being trapped inside. Additionally, we use drop cloths to cover floors and furniture around your HVAC units to prevent your home from dust, dirt, or any other debris that might be dislodged during the service. We want you to feel confident that we treat your home with the utmost respect and cleanliness during our visits. Once the inspection, cleaning, and testing are complete, the technician will walk you through the work that was done, explain the results of the inspection, and answer any questions you may have. If any issues were found during the inspection, the technician will provide the best solutions for any necessary repairs, such as replacing a faulty part or upgrading a system component. The technician will remind you of when to schedule your next HVAC maintenance service, typically every 6 to 12 months, depending on your system and usage. If you have any concerns or questions after the service, don't hesitate to call us. We're always happy to help. If you feel that you didn't receive the 5-star experience that we strive for, please speak directly with your technician or call us. We're always here to ensure your complete satisfaction. Thank you for trusting Sierra Air Conditioning and Plumbing with your HVAC maintenance. Regular tune-ups help prevent breakdowns and improve the efficiency of your system, saving you money in the long run. If you found this video helpful, be sure to subscribe for more HVAC tips and updates. Don't forget to click the bell so you're notified whenever we post new videos. Hey, stay cool all year long with your well-maintained HVAC system.